Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back to the new session. We have been discussing the lesson A Short Monsoon Diary. Let us continue. This story is extracted from Ruskin Bond's diary. Here we have the next paragraph. Snakes and rodents flooded out of their holes and burrows, take shelter in roofs, attics, and godowns. A shrew, weak of eyesight, blunders about the rooms, much to the amusement of the children. Don't kill it, admonishes their grandmother. Chuchundars are lucky they bring money, and sure enough, I receive a check in the mail, not a very large one, but welcome all the same. After this, here we have some new words. First one, attic. Attic means a loft, a shelf made on the wall to keep the things, right? Next one, shrew. Shrew is an animal, an insectivorous mammal resembling a mouse, which is looking like a mouse, right? Rodent is also a mammal, which is like a mouse, right? Next word is amusement. Amusement means fun or an experience of pleasure, right? Another word, admonishes. Admonishes means warns, right? Something which makes us to realize the dangerous warning, right? Next one is chuchandar. Chuchandar is a Hindi word. It refers a mammal called shrew, right? These are the new words. After reading this paragraph, we came to know that due to the rainfall, the holes and burrows of snakes and rodents like mouse, that was shrew, everything was flooded with rainwater. The life of creatures in nature was uncomfortable due to the heavy rainfall, right? Therefore, all these had taken shelter. They had come to stay in roofs or go down of the houses. They found the godowns for the shelter. This animal, shrew, which has weak eyesight, it was having lack of eyesight, but it roams around in the room like a mouse and it was entertaining the children. It was funful, enjoyable for children roaming around the people. When the children were trying to kill it, it just then their grandmother wanted. When the children were trying to kill that mammal called shrew, at that time grandmother came and stopped them. She wanted it. She wanted it to be alive, right? It is believed that the Chuchundars are lucky and they bring money. Shriv is also called as Chuchundar in Hindi. After listening to this, the author realized that he actually received a check in his mail. The author felt that he had received a check from that Chuchundar in his mail. He felt that. Now, this check was not of a large amount, though it was of small amount, yet he got the same money. It was not having the large amount, even though he felt happy because it was something earning, right? Next paragraph, on 3rd of October, we have gone straight from monsoon into winter rain. Snow at higher altitudes. After an evening hailstorm, the sky and hills are suffused with a beautiful golden light. Here we have a new word, that is suffused, means full of. On 3rd of October, the author felt that straight from monsoon rain to the winter rain. The rain had taken a work, and now during winter time the rain was getting Frozen means very cold into snow, and it was falling on the peak of the mountains in the evening. Due to the variation in temperature, the raindrops were turned into snow. The water was frozen. Frozen means it was turning into hard ice, right? In the evening, there was hailstorm. It is a kind of rain which will be having little pieces of ice, right? The snowfall continues. The sky and hills were full of this beautiful golden light. The sun had his rays and it created a beautiful golden light in the sky. Till now, we discussed about the experience of the author Ruskin Bond during the winter season. Read these paragraphs. Let us continue this lesson in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.